Security forces launched massive terror hunt in Banota and the Machedi area in Kathua, where 5 security personnel lost their life in a terror attack. According to sources, that 4 to 5 Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorists, those who were hiding in the forest area, they carried out this attack on an army vehicle when it was moving from Banota to Machedi area. And immediately when this vehicle reached their point where the terrorists were hiding, they hurled a grenade. They opened fire on the driver and hurled a grenade, and then opened indiscriminate firing to do maximum casualty of the forces. Just see these kind of area where these terrorists were hiding. They have chosen this forest area to ensure that they can do maximum casualty of the security forces. And the sources are also saying that there was already input with the security agency that some terrorists were spotted in this area of Banota, Machedi and other adjoining areas, and that's why alert was also already sounded. But unfortunate incident has happened at around 3:30 when this vehicle was targeted in that Banota area, and immediately after this vehicle came under attack, security forces, Indian Army jawans, those who were grievously injured, even after injuries, they retaliated. They started retaliating to the terrorists, which led that terrorists, they basically pushed back towards the forest area. They went and flee from that area, but unfortunately reinforcement which basically came after 1 hour, they basically took time to reach there, and their priority was to evacuate all the jawans, those who were grievously injured, and shift them to the hospital so that important lives can be saved. And in that incident, 5 of our brave jawans, they lost their life, and 5 are injured. Searches are still going on, and forces, they are ensuring that wherever these terrorists are hiding, they has to be traced and neutralized as soon as possible. Forces are also using drones and the helicopter and other technical gadgets to trace these terrorists, those who went inside the forest area. It is expected that about 4 to 5 terrorists are involved in this terror attack, and they are from the Jaish-e-Mohammed, those who basically were sitting over here. They have already done a recce of this area, and that's why they managed to reach there and then carried out this attack on the forces. With Bandi Digraj, India News X, Jammu.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.